Tired of manually chasing every Cargurus lead and feeling like you're missing golden opportunities? In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate your lead response using Zapier, so you can connect with potential buyers instantly. First, you'll need to make sure that Cargurus is properly set up to send lead notifications. Usually via email, ensure that the email notifications contain all the relevant lead information like name, contact details, and the vehicle they are interested in. Now, head over to Zapier and click Create Zap to start a new workflow. Since Cargurus doesn't have a direct integration, we'll use Email Parser by Zapier as the trigger. Search for and select Email Parser by Zapier. Choose New Email as the trigger event and then connect your Email Parser mailbox. If you don't have one set up already, Zapier will guide you through creating one. Next, Zapier will ask you to parse an example email from Cargurus. This is where you tell Zapier which parts of the email contain the lead's name, email, phone number, and any other relevant details. Now, choose what happens after a new lead comes in. For example, you could set up a Gmail action to send an automated welcome email. Search for and select Gmail. Select Send Email as the action event and connect your Gmail account. Customize your automated email by using the parsed information from Cargurus in the To field. Use the lead's email address. Craft a compelling subject line and email body referencing the vehicle they inquired about. Finally, test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly. Once you're satisfied, turn on your Zap. Now, whenever a new Cargurus lead comes in, Zapier will automatically send your personalized response.